systems, write down for the number systems collection of numbers. So number system is basically a collection of numbers, right? Number system is basically a collection of numbers. Collection of numbers, right? Then what are the different type of number systems that we have today? We have two type of number systems, right? Number systems with positional value and number systems which doesn't have a positional value, right? So Pute, number systems with positional values means all the number system, right? Like binary, octal, hexadecimal, decimal, right? You have different number systems like that with enable, right? And number systems which doesn't have a positional value means Pute, the numbers which stand alone. තනියම තියෙනවට positional value එකක් නෑ, right? Now Saumya, can you be the king of a country where there are no other people?
No.
Why not? Because there is no one to compare with, right? You are the king. Okay, you are the king. There is only one. Huh? Who is the janitor? You are the janitor. Who is the driver? You are the driver. Why? Because you are the only person. So you need someone to compare with, right? Your position. So basically a number, there are number system with positional values and number system which doesn't have positional value. This positional value, I'll explain it in a bit. Right? Positional value positional value right? Now, if you look at this, right? Which one is bigger? 107. We look, which one is bigger? 7, obviously. Now tell me which one is bigger. Now tell me what is this value? It is 17. 17. Now tell me here, right? What is the most important number here? 107. Give me
1.
1. Of course, why? Because if we remove this 1 and if we make it 0, then the value, the difference will be 10, right? But if you make this 7 a 0, then the difference will be just 7. Which one has the most, what is the most important number here? The 1, right? IA, positional value, right? Based on where it stands. මම මේක තව explain කරනවා පුතේ positional value එක හැදෙන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා ඉස්සරහට, right? අපි එතකම් ටුක්ටක් ඉවසීමෙන් ඉමු. Right. So now let's talk about the base value. එන්න අපි base value ගැන කතා කරමු. What is base value? පුතේ basically base value means, right? The definition would be the number of different values a certain number system can represent without repeating itself. Are the number of different values a number system can represent without repeating itself. Are the ආපහු repeat නොවි පුතේ යාට පෙන්වන්න පුළුවන් එක එක මොනවාද values ටික තමයි අපි මෙතනදී බලන්නේ, right? Method you understood පුතේ? Right. So for example, now look at the base value of binary. So Pute, what are the how many different values binary number system can represent? Only 2. 0, 1, 2, right? 0, 1, 0 and 1. Binary number system. Okay? Minadi, right? Arada Pute. Itakote octal number system 0 to 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. අටක් තියෙනවනේ. එහෙනම් octal වල base එක මොකද පුතේ 8යි. Binary වල 0 and 1 නේ. So the base value of the binary is what? 2. And then we have decimal 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. අන්න 10ක් තියෙනවා පුතේ. Right? 0 ඉඳන් 9 වෙනකන් there are 10 values. So the base is what? In decimal 10. හරිනේ. එයාට values 10ක් represent කරන්න පුළුවන් decimal වල. එහෙනම් එයාගේ base එක 10යි. binary වල පුතේ 2යිනේ. එහෙනම් එයාගේ base එක 2යි. octal you can represent 8 values. So octal base is 8. hexadecimal. ඔන්න සෞම්‍ය. hexadecimal. Now in hexadecimal කියන්නේ මොකක්ද පුතේ? 16 කියන එක. 16 කියන එකද? 16. Right? Hexadecimal means you should be able to represent 16 different values, right? You should be able to represent 16 different values. බලමු කොහොමද මේ 16 different values හැදලා තියෙන්නේ කියලා. Right? බලන්න පුතේ. බලන්න. Right? So you always start the number system with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the next value? 9 වලට පස්සේ කීයද විහඟ? After 9? අනේ කොල්ලෝ 9ට පස්සේ කීයද? 10.
10.
එතකොට තාපොඩ්ඩේ මම යවන ගණන් පන්තියක්. Right? 10. After 9 we have 10. But the thing is 10 in order to write 10 අන්න බලාගන්න මතකද පුතේ in the definition there was a part which states number of different values a number system can represent without repeating itself. ආපෝ repeat නොවි. 10 ලියන්නේ කොහොමද? රාමාය 1 0 මෙන්න 1 මෙන්න 0 දැන්ටම ලියලා ඉවරයි. හරි සහින්. Okay. Right? දැනටම ලියලා ඉවරයි පුතේ. 1 and 0 දැනටම ලියලා ඉවරයි. So we can't write 10 by using 1 and 0. ඔන්න ප්‍රශ්නයක්. 10 ලියන්නත් ඕන ලියන්නත්. දැන් මොකද කරන්නේ? We have to write 10 but we can't use 1 and 0. Ting on a light tap පත් වුණා. දැන් මොකද කරන්නේ? Assign letters for these values. 10 A, 11 B, 12 C, 13 D, 14 E, 15 මොකද පුතේ? F. Right? දැන් හරිනේ. කොහොමද ඩිග්‍රී මොලේ? Right? Now we don't have to use ones and zeros, right? 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 1 3 0 1 4 1 5 use කරන්න දෙයක් නෑ පුතේ. What you are going to do is you're going to put A, B, C, D, E, F. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Understood? ඇයි පුතේ? මොකද 16 different values represent කරන්න ඕන. හැබැයි repeat වෙන්නත් බෑ. We can't repeat. So අපි ඒකට වෙන technique එකක් use කරා. Right? Now this is something that you have to write down as soon as you get the paper. Paper එක ගත්ත ගමන් පුතේ මේක ලියන්න ඕනේ MCQ එකේ second එකේ. හරිද? දැන් ඔන්න ප්‍රශ්නයක් ගන්න. අසහින්. This is that difficult to remember? නෑ නේද? Abinu, is it difficult to remember this? No. නෑ නේද බිනු? හරි. බිනු චුට්ටක් එනං මයික්‍රොෆෝන් එක අන්මියුට් කරගන්න.
C.
Huh?
C.
C. 10.
A.
13.
E.
11. 14.
E.
E. Yeah. Good. You gave the answer because it's not that difficult, but it took you some time. Neda? Anne hitanne yana velawa puthe we have to save that. And also now Binuk in the class Binuk is relaxed. But when you go to the paper, when you get in the exam, Binuk nikan inne ආපහු නේද? දිවි කොට්ටක් ඇඟට වැටලා වගේ තමයි ඉන්නේ. ඔළුව කහනවා උඩ උත්තර පහළ වෙයිද පෙනෙයිද right of course in an exam they you are a little bit stressed out okay so that's normal we might make mistakes when you are stressed puthe right you make mistakes or you are not thinking straight so that's why you need to write this because when you write this you won't make any mistake තේරුම දැක්කම තේරෙනවනේ පුතේ මොකද්ද මේ කියන්නේ right understood onna you must write this as soon as you get the paper you must write this okay මේක අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම කරන්න ඕන දෙයක් right okay now let's get to the thing again right so is everyone clear about the base value ළමයි base value එක පැහැදිලිද is it clear right Raini any questions පුතේ amaya niranya all good Denith are Rishi okay let's go to the weighting factor ඔන්න දැන් එමු පුතේ weighting factor එකට බර සාධකය right weighting factor means බර සාධකය the positional value weighting factor also means the positional value පුතේ right let me show you how the positional value is made look at this number now today this is what is the base 10 10 කියන්නේ මොකද්ද දෙන්නේ 10 means decimal the base is 10 10 means decimal right Irushi right on 10 okay now today the positional value in this decimal number right is given based on the එක දෙන්නේ පුතේ by using the base right so here it will be 10 to the power 0 යාගේ base එක 10 නම් පුතේ right the positional values are given as a power of the base base එකේ power එකක් විදියට තමයි positional values ටික දෙන්නේ 10 to the power 0 right 10 to the power 0 කියන්නේ මොකක්ද පුතේ 1 ඕනම number system එකක to the power 0 කියන්නේ 1 so 1 into 7 equals 7 මෙයා 10 to the power 1 10 to the power 1 කියන්නේ පුතේ 10 to the power 1 means 10 10 into 5 is 50 this one is 10 to the power 2 10 to the power 2 කියන්නේ පුතේ 100 100 into 3 කියන්නේ කීයද 300 this one is 10 to the power 3 10 to the power 3 කියන්නේ කීයද පුතේ 1000 1000 into 1 කියන්නේ 1000 you add all of them together you get 1357 right see how the positional values are given දැක්කද පුතේ positional values ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන විදිය positional value is given based on the base of the number system හරිද මෙහිනදී number system එකේ base එකෙන් තමයි පුතේ මේ ටික එන්නේ හරි number system එකේ base එකෙන් තමයි positional value එක දෙන්නේ is that clear let me show you binary number system also so in the binary number system also we have the positional value octal hexadecimal every number system today right all those number system that we are learning they have positional powers positional values so what is this one 2 to the power 0 mea 2 to the power 1 2 to the power 2 2 to the power 3 2 to the power 4 2 to the power 5 2 to the power 6 2 to the power 7 right like that it keeps going on so that's how the powers are given in the number systems is that clear එක තේරුණාද පුතේ understood right answer තේරුණාද පුතේ right
yes sir
so we are discussing about the positional values right right now positional value is something that all the number system that we are discussing have हम අපි discuss කරන හැම number system එකක positional values තියෙනවා right when they are so positional values start always from the right side to the left දකුණේ ඉඳන් පටන් ගන්න right what is the first positional value to the power 0 that's it to the power to the power 1 to the power 2 to the power to the power 3 to the power 4 විදියට යන්නේ in octal 8 to the power 0 8 to the power 1 8 to the power 2 8 to the power 3 like that it keeps going on, right? Binary 2 to the power, decimal 10 to the power, hexadecimal 16 to the powers, right? තේරෙනවද මෙහෙනදී? power එක එන්නේ පුතේ positional value එක එන්නේ in number system එකේ base එක. මෙයා දෙක නම් power එක එන්නේ කොහොමද? 2 to the power. 8 නම් 8 to the power. Okay? Right. Now let's see what are the uses of the number system. ඔන්න ළමයි. What are the uses? First of all, to represent values. To represent values. නේද? දෙනෙත්ගේ වයස කීයද? 14. නේද දෙනෙත්? So that 14 is what? Is a value to represent values we are using these number systems, right? And also to count. අර අන්දරේ වගේ නෙමෙයි හොඳේ මම 1 2 කියලා එහෙම count කරන්නේ නැහැ. 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that you can count. Okay? For calculation, 1 plus 1 is what? 1 plus 1 කියන්නේ කීයද? අනේ
2.
2. හරිද? නැත්නම් සිංහලෙන් අහන්නද? 1 1 1 එකතු කරාම කීයද බිනු?
2යි.
2යිද? මේක 2යිද?
3යි.
3. Yes. දැන් බිනු බැලුවා මොකක්ද උනේ? බිනු මොකද්ද මං ඇහුවේ? In English I asked 1 plus 1 2. මම සිංහලෙන් ඇහුවේ 1 1 එකට එකතු කරාම 3යි. හරිද? තාම බිනුට ඒක තේරුන්නේ නැහැ. right. Okay. ටිකක් වෙලා යයි බිනු. සමහරවිට ක්ලාස් එකේ ඉඳලා රැට කන වෙලාවට වගේ මීටර වෙන්න පුළුවන්. right. Okay. Alright, so let's get to the uses of the number system. We use the number system to represent values. We use the number system to count. We use them to calculate. We use them to compare. Right? The other student is 6.2. I'm 6.1. So we can compare the values. Right? To arrange in order. Based on the height, we can arrange in order. Right? See that today. So these number systems are very useful. Right? We can use them for various things. Right. Now, right. Something important, right? The most significant digit and the least significant digit. MSD and LSD. Right? MSD, LSD. In number systems, MSD, LSD stand for the most significant digit. MSB කියලා. හරිද ළමයි? MSB is all the same, most significant bit. It is given when when the number is binary, it is most commonly used. නැත්නම් in general පුතේ we use most significant digit and the least significant digit. හොඳට අහගන්න. හොඳට. This definition also was asked in MCQ question once, right? MSD is the value on your leftmost corner except for zeros. This is my left hand, right? This is my left hand. So MSD is the value on the leftmost corner except for zeros, right? Zeros error. Right. Now, here what is the MSD? The value on your leftmost corner except for zeros. Zero එක ගන්න නැහැ නේ. එහෙනම් 1 තමයි පුතේ most significant digit එක. Right? Leftmost corner except for zeros. Zeros නැතුව. ඊට පස්සේ the least significant digit means the value on your rightmost corner except for zeros. Again, zeros අපි discard කරනවා පුතේ නම් මොකද්ද? මෙන්න මෙතන තියෙන 1 එක තමයි LSD කියලා අපි ගන්න. Least significant digit, right? If you have a value like this, මේ බලන්න පුතේ දශම ස්ථානත් එක්ක තියෙන binary number එක, binary value එක. Now how to do this one? Still, MSD, the value on your, how to put it? Leftmost corner, right? LSD, the value on your rightmost corner, then below the right? The value on your left rightmost corner except for 0. Again, yeah. Understood? Any questions? Ask me if you have any questions. All good. Right. Then copy this table and fill in the blanks. Find the LSD and the MSD quickly. Done? හරිද ළමයි? ඉතර වෙලා ගන්න බෑ මේ පොඩි දෙයක්. Right? Binuk, what happened to Binuk? I mean, okay. Go, Soumya, Ayansa, Binuk, video. Right. Ayansa, video putih. Done? Right. So, look at the first number, 423. What is the MSD putih? 4. LSD, 3. Second one, 56.7 octal. MSD, 5. LSD, 7. Next one, 23, 4B, 0.1216, hexadecimal value. MSD, 2. LSD, also 2. Right. We have a binary value. Now, in binary, right? In binary, always the MSD and LSD are 1. 0 we are ignoring. So the only other available number is what? 1. When the zeros are ignored today, right? The only available other number is 1, right? So MSD and LSD in binary is always 1. For binary values, MSD and LSD both are 1 for the both questions, right? Any other questions? Difficult parts putih? Question, another doubts? Anything? All good, right? Then write down a topic. They are going to put a topic. A main topic. Main topic. In the middle of your writing book. Conversion of number system. Conversion of number systems. Right. Hari. Tamai, under that write down the subtopic converting decimal numbers converting decimal numbers into any other number system. Converting decimal numbers into any other number system. Decimal to any other number system, right? Right. Under that, write down to convert decimal into any other number system. To convert decimal into any other number system, the decimal value must be divided by the decimal value must be divided by the base of the number system by the base of the number system that you want to convert it into. That you want to convert it into. Right. Under that, put a star and write down. This is considered as law of division. Law of division. Right? Law of division. Now let me explain the law of division. Law of division works like this today. If you want to convert decimal into any other number system, decimal binary decimal octal decimal hexadecimal. There's only one technique. Let's learn the technique. Because when you learn the technique, even if they ask you to convert decimal into some other number system, you can do it easily. Right? You need to understand the techniques. You can train technique, right? So let's say you want to convert decimal into binary. Then you have to divide the decimal number by the base of the number system that you want to convert it into. So if you want to convert the decimal into binary, then you should divide it by the base of what? Binary, which is 2. You have to divide it by 2. Let's say you want to convert the decimal into octal lamai. Yes?
8.
8 exactly. If you want to convert the decimal into hexadecimal, then divide it by
16.
16 exactly. Very good. Right? Right? So if I want to convert this decimal number, right, into binary, I want to convert this into binary puthe, right? How to do it? I have to divide this by the base of the number system that I want to convert it. I want to convert this into binary, so divide it by 2, right? 27. For 27, puthe, how many 2s are there? For 2, there is only 1. 7, 3, and 1 remaining, right? For 27, puthe, how many 2s are there? 13 and 1 remaining. 27ට දෙකේව 13යි. 13යි කියන්නේ පුතේ 26යි. Right? එකක් ඉතුරුයි. 1 remaining. හරිද? 1 remaining. This we call div, while this is called mod. මේකට මොකක්ද කියන්නේ පුතේ? div එක. මේකට කියනවා mod එක. mod එක කියන්නේ remainder එක. The remainder after the division. Div means the number of sets that we have for a certain value. 24ට තියෙන දෙකේ set ගන්න පුතේ 13යි. That is what we call the div. තියෙන set ගන්න. තේරුණාද? බෙදුවම තියෙන set ගන්න. That is div. And the remainder after the division, mod. Understood? මෙන්න මේක මෙතන අවබෝධ කරගන්න. Because this will again come into play in multiple locations in your syllabus. ඔයාලගේ syllabus එකේ පුතේ විවිධ ස්ථානවලදී මේක ආපු වෙනවා, right? The div and the mod. හරි. So පුතේ you have to keep dividing. Don't stop now. You have to keep dividing. You have to keep dividing until the base is bigger than the div. නැත්නම් div එක base එකට වඩා අඩු වෙනකම් බෙදන්න ඕනේ. මෙහාට යට වඩා අඩු වෙනවා. 13 වලට දෙකේවා. කීයද? 6, which is 12, 1 remaining. For 6, how many 2s are there? 3, 0 remaining. For 3, how many 2s are there? 1 and 1 remaining. Then බලන්න පුතේ. Here the div is smaller than the base. Div is smaller than the base. So now you can hit the brake. Then ගහන්න brake පුතේ. Then බෙදුවා. Right? Now how do you write the answer? Bottom to top. යට ඉඳන් උඩට ලියන්න. මෙන්න මේවා. Right? 27 equals 1 1 0 1 1 binary. See? 1 1 0 1 1. දැක්කද පුතේ? You are keep dividing it by 2. අව එකක් හදමු. 32. 32 divided by another මාමයාව binary කරන්න ඕන. Divided by 2. For 32 how many 2s are there පුතේ? එකපාරට කරන්න අමාරුයි නේද? එහෙනම් do it step by step. For 3 how many 2s? 3ට දෙකේව කීයද? 1යි පුතේ. For 3 how many 2s are there? 1. කීයක් ඉතුරුද? 1 remaining. Now we have 12. මෙතන 1යි මෙතන 2යි පුතේ එකතු කරන්න නැහැ හොඳේ වෙන වෙනම කියන්නේ 12. Now we have 12, right? For 3 how many 2s are there? 1 and 1 remaining. 1යි 3ට දෙකේව 1යි තව එකක් ඉතුරු. With that 1 and 2 12. For 12 how many 2s are there? 6 and 0 remaining. See? Now for 16 how many 2s are there? 8, 0 remaining. For 8 how many 2s are there? 4, 0 remaining. For 4 how many 2s are there? 2, 0 remaining. For 2 how many 2s are there? 1, 0. So the answer is put a 1 0 0 0 0 5. Understood? Any questions? Lamai, do I need to do another one? Answer. All good puthe. Meenadi, Metuki. Saumya therunada? All good. Right. Then do these questions. Anyway, Karan. $31, 127, 56. Convert these into binary. Lamai, when you write the answer, හැම වෙලේම answer එකට යන්නේ කොහොමද? 31 equals කොහොමද? 1 1 1 1 1. හරිද? ඔන්න ඔය විදිහට ලියන්න ඕන. දෙන්න ඕනේ. Okay? That's how you have to write it. Decimal එක දාලා equal කියලා binary එක දෙන්න. Done, kids? Answer done. Good. Binuk?
Sir.
Finish.
Still doing.
I still doing. Alright, okay, complete. Get me done? Right. So 31 divided by 2, 15, 1, 7, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1. So put a 31 is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1. 127 divided by 2. For 12, 6. For 7, 3, and 1 remaining. Right? For 63, for 6, 3, for 3, 1, and 1. For 3, 1, and there's 1 remaining. Right? Okay. We have 11. For 11, we have 5. 15, how many 2s are there? 7. 1 remaining. 3, 1 remaining. 1, 1. So the answer is 127 decimal is equivalent to 1, 1. Katina would 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 56. For 56, how many 2s are there? For 5, there are 2. We have 1 remaining. 60. For 16, how many 2s are there? 8. 0 remain. Right? Divide 28 by 2. 1, 4, 0 remaining. 7, 0 remaining. 3, 1 remaining. For 3, there are 1, 2, and 1. So 56 decimal is equivalent to 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Check your answers. Give me all correct. Raise your hand if you all question answers are correct. Atustan balan. Okkom prashna harilamai. 9. Right. Very good. Right. Others. Irushi, the mistake. Binuk, all good?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Those who got them wrong, correct your answers. Right. Answer Haridapute maker. Check your answers. Good. Very good. Right. Namai, correct your mistakes. Okay. Then I'm going to teach you how to convert decimal into binary. Binary value, right? Binary name they can be there. In octal, you want to convert decimal into octal, low ekai divide by the base. So converting decimal into octal means you divide it by 8. Let's take 62. Here we have 62 decimal, right? So I want to convert this into octal. How to do it? Divide it by 8. So decimal lega, fine. For 62, how many 8s are there? 8 into 5 is 40. 8 into 5 is 40. Higher is 5, right? 56 and 55. Then we have 7, right? For 62, how many 8s are there? 7, right? How many remaining put it? Yeah, another 6, right? 6 remaining. So the answer will be 62 decimal is equal to 76 of that, right? Let's take another one. 129. Right? For 129, how many 8s are there? Right? Then we are converting this decimal into octal, right? So then divide by 8. For 12, don't take the entire 129 and divide it by 8. Go part by part today, right? Answer For 12 පුතේ how many 8s are there? Answer. එද බලන්නේ eyes front හරිද? For 12 how many 8s are there? 1. How many remaining? 4. හතරක් ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ. Right. Now we have 49. For 49 පුතේ how many 8s are there? 6. 49 8 වගේද? 6යි. 48යිනේ. And remainder 1. We have 16. For 16 how many 8s are there? 2. And the remainder is 0. So for the 129 decimal is equal to 2014. Understood? Technique is all the same, right? Then do this. Convert these two into octal. And then octal current. Done? Okay. 201. Let's divide it by 8. For 201 put how many 8s are there? Right? So for 20, බලන්න පුතේ කෙලිම 20ට මුලින්. Right? For 20 how many 8s are there? 2, which is 16 and 44 remaining, right? So we have 41. 41 how many 8s are there? 5, which is 40 and 1 remaining. Correct? Do it step by step. Don't try to divide 201 entire 201 in one go පුතේ. එහෙම කරන්න අමාරුයි ටික. Right? For 25 how many 8s are there? කීයක් තියෙනවද පුතේ? 3, which is 24, right? And 1 remaining. So the answer 201 decimal is equal to 311 octal, right? පුතේ octal එකකට එන value එක කිසිම වෙලාවක can it exceed 7? 7 වලට වැඩි වෙන්න පුළුවන්ද? බෑ. 7 is the maximum, right? හරි. We have 92. For 92 decimal, how many 8s are there? For 9, 1, we have 1 remaining 12. 12 කියන්නේ 1යි. Remainder 4. Right? For 11, how many 8s are there? 1 and 3 remaining. Right? So the answer 92 decimal is equal to 134. So raise your hand if you all got all correct. Very good. Very good. Good job. Right? සෞම්‍ය මොකෝ උනේ? සෞම්‍ය හරි. Then Sahin, understood Sahin? Sahin, any questions පුතේ?
No, sir.
Metuki?
No, sir.
Okay, you can put down your hands, Samai. Now, I'm going to give some hexadecimal questions. I'm not going to do any examples. You have to do it. Right? Technique is all the same lamai. හරිද මට මේ ළමයි මම ට්‍රේන් කරන්නේ නැහනේ. මම කියලා දෙන්න. ඔළුව යූස් කරලා ගාන හදන්නයි. right? ට්‍රේන් කරාට පස්සේ තමයි පුතේ පේපර් එකේ ගාන ටිකක් වෙනස් කරලා දුන්නොත් හදා ගන්න බැහැ. right? That's why I'm giving you the knowledge to solve these questions. Right. Convert these into hexadecimal. So divided by 16, nah? hexadecimal තමයි මේ ළමයින්ට වෙලා යන්නේ නේද? Divide by 16. Answer done. ඉතලේදී ලොකු අක්කලනේ. ඈ? Niyadi also done. Very good. When we finish this lesson, you'll actually change your beliefs on maths even. The things that you learn in maths also. ඒවත් මම මකවලා හදමු. Wake done. Right. 127. 127 today. How many 16s are there? Right. Number 127. 6. Is it 7? 7. And how many remaining today? Meenadi, how many remaining?
15.
5.
15.
15. And 15 lamai. So we can't write 15. Matakada. A10, B11, C12, D13, E14, F15. So 15 can be F, right? So then the answer is 7F16. This is how you write the answer, 7F16. 127 decimal is equal to 7F16. You can't write 15, right? If the mod increase, if the mod exceed 9, mod then you have to write it in A, B, C, D, right? And then 212. Can you say 21 for 21? How many 16s are there? 1, right? And how many remaining? 5. So now we have 52. 52 are 16 never here. Let's check 4. 3, right? 48. So we have 3, which is 48. Then from 52, when we subtract 48, how many remaining? 4. 4 remaining, right? Okay. So for 212, how many 16s are there? 13 and 4 remaining, right? For 212, how many 16s are there? 13 and 4 remaining. Now, this 13, how do you write it? How do you write it? For 212, how many 16s are there? 13, right? Straightforward 13. So how do you write this 13? That is going to get D, right? This is D4. So 212 is equal to D4 16. Got it? Right. Then 300. Right? These are the ones that you ignore. These 13 and 15. Right? Then 300. 300 divided by 16. So 30, how many 16s are there? 1. How many remaining? 14, isn't it? 14. So 140. For 140, how many 16s are there? 140 divided by 16, 8. So 128 and 8. 8. 8 means we have 128. So from 140, subtract 128, right? For 30, how many 16s are there? 1. Remainder is what? 14. එතකොට දැන් මෙතන තියෙනවා 140 140. So 140, how many 16s are there? 8, which is 128. එහෙනම් 140 වලින් පුතේ 128 අඩු කරන්න. ඒතර කීයද එන්නේ? 12, right? 12 is what? C. 12 කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? C. ඔන්න දැන් මෙතන තියෙනවා 18. Is 18 less than 16? No. Then keep dividing. තාම අඩු නෑනේ පුතේ, right? Div එක අඩු වෙන්න ඕන. Div must go lower than the base, right? Then divide it again. For 18 today, how many 16s are there? Right? 1 and here the 2 remain. Right. So then the answer is today 1, 2, C, 16. 1, 2, C, 16. Check your answers. Raise your hand if all are correct. Six, only 6, 7, 8. 9. Hurry, come back. Right? What about the others? Sahin, Raini, Methuki. Now we got it today. Right? I'm sure you might have done the mistake here. Right? The remainder must be remainder එකත් පුතේ, if it exceed 10, exceed 9, you have to represent it by using ABC. The final due, antima due එකත්, if it exceed another 9, then you can represent it by using ABCD. Right? Any questions about that? Then ළමයට එන්න පුළුවන් main ප්‍රශ්නයක්. What if we get 17 here? Then how to represent 17? 17 represent කරන්න නෑ ළමයි. 17 is greater than 16. So divide it again. Right? Always the final due will be within 0 to F. F can 15. අන්තිම due එක පුතේ අනිවාර්යෙන් base එකට වඩා අඩු වෙන්න එපා. ඒක අපි බෙදනවා නේද? Right? Another one. What if we get 16 here? Again divide. That's the condition. Due must be lower than the base. සමාන නෙමෙයි. Then divide it again. Right? Okay. Now write down another subtopic. Converting any other number system into binary. Converting any other number system into binary. Binary නෙමෙයි, decimal. Converting any other number system into decimal. Converting any other number system into decimal, right? Any decimal, right? Right. Now, so write down under that, write the technique. Technique then I will explain the technique. To convert any other number system into decimal, we have to apply the law of multiplication. The law of multiplication.
Sir, could you repeat it?
We have to apply the law of multiplication. To convert any other number system into decimal, we have to apply the law of multiplication, right? So the law of multiplication has 3 steps. Okay? Another power, multiplication, and division. Write down. Law of multiplication has 3 steps. Law of multiplication has 3 steps. Law of multiplication has 3 steps, right? Roman number 1, under that, the steps. Roman number 1, first step. Power. Power. Balaya. Roman number 2, multiplication. Roman number 3, addition. Right? Alright. Let me show you the law of multiplication, how it can be used to convert any other number system into decimal, right? Let's take a binary first. Here we have a binary value, right? The law of multiplication with this is how we use it. First, find the power. Now this is binary, right? Binary के powers टिकेने कौन दे पुते 2 to the power 6. Octal ना 8 to the power 6. Hexadecimal 16 to the power. So this is binary, right? So it should be 2 to the power. 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, right? Okay. So 2 to the power 0. Now on the power. This is power. Right? Power is complete. Now 2 to the power 0 is what? To the power 0 can kiya the pute. 2 to the power 0 means 1. Always 2 to the power 0 can mogada mihinadi 1. Right, Ambi? Okay. So 2 to the power 0 is 1. 1 no 1 da. Right? Then this is multiplication, right? I'm multiplying the power from the value on the top. 2 to the power 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Right? Then 2 to the power 1 is what today? 2 to the power 1 is 2. 2 into 0, 0. 2 to the power 2 is 4. 4 into 1, 4. 2 to the power 3 is 8. 8 into 1, 8. 2 to the power 4, 16. 16 into 0, 0. 2 to the power 5, 32. 32 into 1 is 32. Right? Now the addition. Add these values together. 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1. 0 to minus. 32 plus 8 is 40. 40 plus 4 is 44. 44 plus 1 is 45. So 45 decimal. 101101 by is equal to 45 decimal. Understood? Power, multiplication, addition. Understood Pute? Now you can perform all of these things at in just one line. Right? Assume you have value like this. Then 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, mulling dagana powers 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5. Lamai, in the next session, when you are familiar with this, you can skip these conversions, right? We are panel ikmata yanna puluwan. Habai etakan හැමෝම අන්ඩිදනෝ even මේ විදිහට කරන්න. Right? I will teach you the shortcut, but එතකම් පුතේ අපි steps ටික ඔක්කොම දාලා හදමු. So on the powers ටික දාගත්තා, right? Then 2 to the power 0 means 1. 1 into 1, 1. Plus 2 to the power 1 is 2. 2 into 1, 2. Plus 2 to the power 2 is 4. 4 into 1 is 4. Plus 2 to the power 3 is 8. 8 into 1 is 8. 2 to the power 4 is 60. 60 into 0. 2 to the power 5 is 32. 32 into 1 is 32. Now when all of these together, you will get 40, 46, 47. 47 is right. Power එක දාගන්න පුතේ multiplication එකයි addition එකයි එකට කරන්න. Understood? Right? Everyone copy this. මෙන්න මේක copy කරගන්න. Not this one. මේක. This one. Copy it. Do these two also. මේ දෙක කරන්න පුතේ හැබැයි මෙන්න මේ විදියට. power එක දාන්න. Right? Multiplication and addition do it together. එක එකට කරන්න. Okay. All right. Now let's take a look at this. One zero one zero one. To the power zero, to the power one, to the power two, to the power three, to the power five. To the power zero can one to the one into one. To the power one is two into zero. To the power two is four into one is four. To the power three is eight into zero. Right. To the power four is 16 into one is 16 plus one is 21. 1 0 1 1 1 0 binary to the power 0 to the power 1 to the power 2 to the power 3 to the power 4 to the power 5 to the power 6, right? Okay. So with the 2 to the power 0 can give the 1. 1 into 1, 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2. 2 into 0, 9. 2 to the power 2 is 4. 2 to the power 3 is 8. 8 into 1, 8. 2 to the power 4, 16. 16 into 1 is 16. 2 to the power 5 is 32. 30 into 0 is 9. Then 2 to the power 6 is 64. 64 into 1 is, right? Okay. Now let's add this 64 plus 16 can put a 80. Then we have 92. 92 plus 1 is 90, 93. Got it? Check your answers.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Pute.
Sir, I have another class, so can I leave?
Okay, but you have to complete the note, huh?
Okay, sir, sure.
Right. Hi, Dalamai. Get me all good? Answer, Maya. Niranya. Dinuli had the Pute. Right.
Yes.
Okay, then. Now let's do the octal conversion to decimal, right? Now my technique is all the same. Technique is right? Here we have octal value 271. Okay, so 8 to the power 0 lamai. Octal ne put 8 powers, right? Law of division, law of multiplication ma tamai. Habai base එක මොකද්ද? Octal නම් 8. Now 8 to the power 0 1. Now 8 to the power 8 to the power 0 කියන්නේ පුතේ 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 8 to the power 1 is 8. 8 into 5 40. 8 to the power 2 is 64. අටේ වටක්. Right? 64 into 2 is 128. So add all of these together, you will get 251 octal is equivalent to 100, 160. Here we go. 9. See, is that difficult? අමාරුද ළමයි? Technique is the same. Technique එක කොහෙත් එකයි. Right? මේ දෙන්නේ කොහෙද දෙන්නේ? Video. ළමයි, then copy this. හරිද? මොකද්ද මේ? Octal into decimal, right? And do this. මේ දෙක කරන්න. These three 125, 260, 22. Complete Priyanka. Good. ඒක maths වලට කැමති වගේ නේද? Hundred 25 lamai. 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1, 8 to the power 2. 8 to the power 0 is 1, 1 into 5, 5. 8 to the power 1 is 8, 8 into 2, 16. 8 to the power 2 is 64, 64 into 1 is 64. Add all of those together, you will get 85. Decimal. 260 after 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1, 8 to the power 8 to the power 0 can put the 1, 1 0, 0. 8 to the power 1 means 8, 8 into 6, 48. 8 to the power 2 is 64, 64 into 2 is 128, right? So 128 plus 48 is what? 176 decimal. 22 after 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1. 8 to the power 0 is 1, 1 into 2 can 2. 8 to the power 1 is 8, 8 into 2 is what to take? 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. Check your answers. Raise your hand if all are correct. Tunama harina. Only 4, 5. Others what happened? Still doing? Amaya, Meenadi? Amaya, Hari. Meenadi, what happened?
The last one.
Huh?
The last one.
Okay, right. Now you got it right? Right. Now let's do the hexadecimal conversion into decimal. Right? Abhi දැන් පුතේ ඔන්න hexadecimal decimal කරා. Theory is the same lamai. Actually, I shouldn't have to teach you this again. Theory එක එකයි. On F16, right? Right. So 16 to the power 0, 16 to the power 1, 16 to the power 2. Now 16 to the power 0 can be 1. 1 into 6 is 6. 16 to the power 1 is 16. 16 into 1 can be 16 to the power. Right? 16 to the power 2 can be 256. This is one high. Right? 256 into F means can get it 100. Right? F means 15. So 5 into 6, 13. Into 1 is 2. 0. 200. 2,000. 3,840. Right? Fine. Now add all of these together. Then we move at the 3,840 out. 16 to the power 2 into 15. How is that? 16 to the power 2 can 256. 256 into 15 maybe. Right. Add all of these together. You will get 3,862 decimal. Understood? Soumya, තේරුණාද පුතේ? Amaya? Meenadi මොකද? තේරුන්නේ නැහැ. No. තේරුණාද පුතේ? Binuk?
Sir.
නැහැ කියලා?
Yes, sir.
තේරුන්නේ නැහැ. Good. Very good. Let's see it. So here I have a hexadecimal value 1A5, the base is 16, hexadecimal, right? So I want to convert this into decimal. First, what is the step 1? Power. 16 to the power 0, 16 to the power 1, 16 to the power 2. Alright? Then second step, Binuk. Multiplication. 16 to the power 0 can put 1. One our number system make to the power 0 can 1. 16 to the power 0 is 1. 1 into 5, 5. Right? Then 16 to the power 1 is what? Say anybody can put the 16. 16 into A can hear 10. 16 into 10 can put the 116 in 16 to the power 1 is 16. 16 into A can 10, 160. Plus 16 to the power 2 is 256. That's it. That's it. 16 to the power 2 can neither. 3, 9, 6, 6. Okay. And plus 6 is 15 to 256. So with 16 to the power 2 can give the winner 256. 256 into 1. About 256 right? Sorry. On the power, when multiplication then add add 256 plus 160 plus 5. Here, I have 5, 11. Right? One goes here. 12. One goes here. 4. 421 decimal. Now you got it?
Yes, sir.
Good. Very good. Copy this down. And do these 3 conversions. BC 16, 78 16, 2CA 16. Right, give me? Very good. So BC you can put it 16 to the power 0, 16 to the power 1. 16 to the power 0 means 1 into C can hear that 12. 12. That kind of done දෙයක් නෑ ළමයි. Just you always have to keep that in your exam sheet, right? අරක ලියලා තියා ගන්න ඕනේ ඒකයි. මම වෙනවා ලිව්වා. 16 to the power 1 is 16. 16 into B, we can put 11, right? 16 into 11. Right, so 16. 176. 176 plus 12. Here then. 188 decimal. Right? Then 17. 16 to the power 0, 16 to the power 1. 16 to the power 0 again, 1 into 8 can 8. 16 to the power 1 means 16. 16 into 7. 7. 42. 4. 112. 112 plus 8 is 120. Two CA. 16 to the power 0, 16 to the power 1, 16 to the power 2. 16 to the power 0 again, put 1 into A can 10. 16 to the power 1 means 16. 16 into C can 12. 16 into 12, right? 180, 190. Who then? Hello? Yeah, 190. 192. Then 16 to the power 2. 16 to the power 2 can get there. 256. 256 into 2 can get there. 512. Right. So now add them. 512 plus 192 plus 10. 714 this. Right? Check your answers. Raise your hand if all are correct. Balme exercise kage kiya correct. Only 5, 6, 7. 7. Others? Correct now පුතේ දැන් තේරුණාද? බිනුක, දෙනෙත්, සහින්, understood පුතේ?
Yes.
Raini?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Correct your answers. Good thing. Yes, Soumya. Any questions, Pute? Okay. Right. Now we have completed the first 2 laws, Pute. There are 2 more laws, right? All me sampurna lesson ekama laws atin කියලා දෙන්න, right? දෙකක් ඉවරයි. තව දෙකක් තියෙනවා, right? අනිත් දෙක කරන්න අපිට තව ටිකක් වෙලාව ඕන. So I'm gonna complete them next week and